Hello! Today I'll show you how to use Auto Start Stop to make a top to bottom measurement on a PTO tractor dyno. Firstly, for a top to bottom measurement, we need to work in acceleration control with a negative acceleration rate. The anti-stall function should be set below the idle engine speed of the tractor. The auto start needs to be set just a bit below the top engine speed and the auto stop at the idle speed. We will also use Auto Analyze Last Run option. Now we can proceed with the measurement. We press full throttle in the tractor, the engine speed goes over the start speed and starts the run. The dyno controller increases the load to achieve the required acceleration rate. To avoid revving up the engine when the run is stopped and the load is removed, you need to release throttle before the auto stop speed is reached. After the run is stopped, the view is automatically switched to Analyze tab with the final measurement result. To start the new run, we don't need to click anything. We can just accelerate the engine again above the auto start speed, even while being in the Analyze tab, and the software will switch to Run tab and record a new run.